How to add navigation bar to your Shopify store. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how it's done. Now I need to note that Shopify itself does actually offer a navigation bar for you automatically. And it's going to look a little something like this with the home, catalog, and contact page. But I'm going to show you how to customize it or even create one yourself from scratch. With the navigation bar, you can add pages, you can add products, you can add collections, you can add plenty of things. So, in order to get started, you simply just wanted to go to the content section from your Shopify admin. So just click on content. From content, you also want to click on menus. Now, by default, Shopify does use the main menu. So you can adjust this by just clicking on it and you have the ability to edit everything in it. But what I'm going to do is create one from scratch. So we're just going to click on create menu from the top right corner. From here, you can just go ahead and give it any name. This is only going to help you identify it. So it's not really necessary to be a professional name here, just, something that you can identify it by. Once we give it a name, we want to basically start adding menu items. So we can just click on the first one, add menu item. Give it a name which is going to be visible for others. This is what people are going to be seeing. So we can just do home. And we can just link by clicking on this. And it's just going to give us plenty of options. For the home, we're just going to link it to the home page. Click on the tick. And we can just add another menu item. So for example, we can just go for catalog. Try to copy the main menu. Click on link. And we can just click on, when it comes to catalog, you would want to just go to collections. We can just go for the homepage collection and do tick. So that's 2 items here. Next, I'm actually going to add a product and have it in the menu. So I'm just going to click on add the menu item, give it a name. And then when we click on link, we can actually click on products and we're going to have a list of all the different products that we have. I'm just going to click on this one and that's what we have here. Now, I'm also going to note that you can even have a drop-down menu. In order to do so, just drag any of these items below any other one, and it's just going to be right underneath it like so. If that's the case, then it's going to be a drop-down menu. So I'm just going to leave it like this, and we can actually go ahead and apply it to our online store and see how it looks like. Just be sure to save, and just go back to online store now. Go ahead and click on edit theme, and then from here, we simply just want to click on the header option, and we want to basically select the menu. From the menu, once we actually click on the menu itself, we are just going to see here at the top, the menu is selected as the main menu. So we want to change that. So just click on that and just click on replace. And basically just add this new one, which we just called test menu. Click on save, and that's pretty much all we need to do. So now if we actually preview our site, we can actually see we also have this drop-down menu, and these buttons are going to be working perfectly fine. So this is it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.